This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 23 LDE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 28 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, microwave, stovetop burner, water heater, external shower, slide out, spare tire kit, LP detector, leveling jacks, skylight, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 23 LDE is 5,597 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.